Drive into the future with Tesla cars. Understanding the magic behind electric mobility, Tesla cars represent the future of mobility. With their advanced electric powertrains and cutting-edge technology, forget about gas stations and oil changes. Tesla cars run on electricity stored in a high-capacity battery pack and are charged by plugging into any electrical outlet. With instant torque, seamless acceleration, and regenerative braking, Tesla cars offer a driving experience like no other. Keep watching the video as we delve into the science behind these electric wonders and discover how they are shaping the way we drive. But before moving on further in the video, if you are enjoying give a like to the video, and if you love tech and info related videos, don't miss out our videos by subscribing to our channel.
This is Techtastic.
Mechanism. Tesla cars run on electricity stored in batteries, which are made up of lithium-ion cells. These tiny cells are connected in series and parallel combinations to produce the energy needed to propel the car. Batteries can discharge power in DC mode, but Tesla motors need AC power to run, so the power is converted to AC by the inverter before being sent to the motor. Tesla's car power plant is an induction motor, which receives a three-phase alternating current and creates a rotating magnetic field. This rotating magnetic field then induces a current in the rotor shaft, which in turn creates an additional magnetic field which causes it to rotate. This means that motor speed can be controlled simply by changing the frequency of the AC power supplied as input, which can be easily achieved electronically via inverters and power controllers. Benefits. Electric motors are becoming increasingly popular in modern vehicles because of their many benefits. Electric motors offer a number of advantages over conventional internal combustion engines that make them ideal for propelling vehicles. The autopilot system is one of the most advanced features in Tesla vehicles. The system allows vehicles to turn into lanes, detect traffic and slow or accelerate it, and even change lanes and exit the road without the driver touching the steering wheel. This feature is very useful as it allows drivers to free their hands while driving. For an additional $3,000, drivers can upgrade to an enhanced autopilot that allows for almost completely autonomous driving. But how does Tesla's autopilot work? Tesla's autopilot system is an impressive piece of technology that revolutionizes the driving experience. The system uses a combination of cameras, forward-looking radar, and 12 ultrasonic points to provide a 360-degree view of the area and allows the car to detect potential hazards up to 160 meters away. All of this data is organized and processed by a fully self-managing high-performance chip consisting of two Samsung Silicon chips. Tesla's Autopilot. Tesla's Autopilot is currently rated at Level 2 automation, meaning only speed control and lane changes are automatic. The new enhanced Autopilot mode offers dynamic, traffic-sensitive cruise control and automatic lane changes as added extras. Smart Summons, which can be activated with a button in the app, are recommended for personal use only. Despite its maturity, Autopilot is still not fully autonomous, and drivers are still required by law to keep their hands on the wheel at all times. While Tesla's Autopilot has been praised for its safety features, some are suspicious of the company's so-called shadow mode, which basically pretends to be an autonomous vehicle and notifies headquarters when a planned trip differs from the driver's actual trip. Tesla's electric powertrain eliminates the need for traditional transmissions and provides smooth, efficient propulsion. This is because electric motors can produce high levels of torque even when cranked, whereas internal combustion engines do not have this ability. This is why electric cars usually only have a single-speed gearbox. Tesla cars are equipped with a fixed-gear, single-speed transmission that transfers power directly from the engine to the wheels. This eliminates the need for a traditional gearbox, resulting in a more efficient drivetrain. The absence of the gearbox also reduces energy loss due to friction. This helps to extend the range of the car and reduce the car's energy consumption. Advanced technology. Finally, Tesla cars have advanced energy management systems that help optimize performance. This helps maximize vehicle efficiency and performance. The Tesla mobile app is a must-have tool for every Tesla car owner. This allows drivers to monitor and control their vehicle from anywhere. This app makes it easy to check battery status, range and charge level, as well as adjust climate control so you can warm up or cool down your car even before you get in. How cool is that? Can help you drive more environmentally. Tesla Cars App Base Keyless allows drivers to unlock and start their car using their cell phone, eliminating the need for a physical key fob or key. Tesla owners can also use the app to check the location of their car so they can find it quickly if it gets lost. The touch screen in a Tesla car is the control center for almost every function of the car. The touch screen is very intuitive, allowing the driver to view footage from the car's camera, draw on the screen, see the location of charging stations, and even play some video games. It also shows a graphical representation of the traffic around the vehicle, providing an extra level of security. This touchscreen is very useful as it allows the driver to control almost every aspect of their car from the comfort of their seat. Tesla cars are equipped with an internet connection, which allows them to be constantly updated with the latest software. This connection also helps the car access various online services such as navigation, music streaming, and more. Tesla uses amazing technology you must have got to know by now, but it's not over yet. Something amazing is coming, be excited. If you're in awe of the technological innovations used in Tesla cars. Connectivity. Internet connectivity in Tesla vehicles is achieved through a combination of cellular networks and Wi-Fi connections. Cars can access the internet from anywhere through a cell phone connection. The Wi-Fi connection is used for more specific purposes like software updates, media streaming, etc. Tesla cars use different technologies to keep internet connections secure. For example, all data transmitted over an internet connection is encrypted so that it cannot be intercepted by hackers. Tesla also employs a secure authentication system that requires the user to enter a unique code to access the vehicle's internet connection. Tesla cars come with built-in chargers that allow the car to be plugged into any standard charging socket. Depending on the model and size of the battery, it may take around 12 hours to fully charge. Tesla is also offering more powerful charging options for those who want to charge their car faster. The company offers a variety of charging options, from home wall sockets to public charging stations. The home wall connector is designed for home use and is easy to install. They are available in various power levels, allowing users to choose the best option for their needs. Public charging stations, on the other hand, offer faster charging speeds and are located in various locations, such as supermarkets, malls, and other public places. Charging system. Now you may be wondering why electric cars don't charge with solar energy while driving. That's a good question, and why Tesla CVAR charges partially thanks to regenerative damage. They don't have solar panels on their roof yet. Tesla's supercharger network consists of thousands of charging stations around the world. Each of these charging stations can generate up to 150 kW of power, allowing Tesla vehicles to charge in just 15 minutes. This fast charging time is one of the main advantages of supercharging networks. Additionally, the supercharging network offers Tesla owners the ability to charge their car anywhere, eliminating the need for a charging station at home. The Supercharge network has been an integral part of Tesla's success in the electric vehicle market and helps Tesla owners stay on the road longer. Tesla cars have revolutionized the automotive industry with their cutting-edge technology and innovative designs. The Tesla Model 3 is a perfect example of this, with its advanced features that set it apart from the competition. Not only does it feature 18-inch alloy wheels and plastic caps to improve aerodynamics and reduce energy consumption, it also has a 15-inch touchscreen that controls almost every aspect of the car. Climate control with large vents that wrap around the dashboard, a handy center console for charging the phone, and a phenomenal rear-view camera. It also has an improved autopilot and autopilot, making the car easier to drive and control. Digital transformation technology. Tesla is a company founded by Elon Musk, the same person who invented PayPal, so the company has a lot of money behind it. In addition to cars, Tesla makes batteries for home storage and invests in all kinds of renewable technology and electrical components. Over time, this is the newest lithium-ion battery technology. Attached to it is a single electric motor or a pair of motors driving the rear or all four wheels. Like a slot car, you drive an electric motor and the car moves. Of course, the slot car doesn't have a battery. It draws its power from the track it's on. But even that could be the future of electric cars. They can harvest power wirelessly from the road surface. It's not as far away as you think. Perhaps Tesla's greatest claim to fame is transforming an electric car from a golf cart into a hot, in-demand product. The company is far ahead in this regard. But now the whole world seems to be catching up, and Tesla cars now have more serious competition than ever. Now you know everything you need to know about how Tesla cars work and the incredible technology that powers these electric cars. Tesla cars are a revolutionary way to drive. They not only offer great performance, but are also highly efficient and environmentally friendly. But their gigafactories are also examples of intelligent manufacturing and Industry 4.0. Tesla cars are the future of driving, and they just keep getting better. With advances in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and autonomous driving, Tesla cars have become more affordable and reliable. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and must have known the secrets behind Tesla cars. Keep watching us and stay tuned till our next video. Thanks for watching the video.